Hi, all. It's Amy McGeechee, HR consultant, and I wanted to just address something that I hear quite frequently in my HR consulting practice, and that is, um, they're just not working out. And it comes up that it absolutely does happen. So I'm not dispelling that sometimes people and talent just aren't quite right for a position or a company. But I want to challenge us to dig a little deeper and question our training practices, our onboarding practices, whether it's a new hire or somebody who has promoted into a role, or maybe even been in a role for a long period of time, but things have changed and things have evolved. And so I want to challenge us to think about what we're doing to develop people and to train people with new skills, whether that be project management or a client presentation or client account management. I want us to really be thinking about what we're doing to help people gain new skills. And so I was thinking that we should borrow a model from our friends in the education sector. And the model is I do, we do, you do. And very simple. We could make it a lot more complex if we wanted to. But it simply is that as a manager, we demonstrate and we model a skill or behavior that we're looking for in a new team member. That could be we model how to deliver a client presentation, or we model how to um, lead an all staff meeting, or we model how to do something on a computer, whether it's navigate a client relationship management system or navigate a website. So we model that. We just show them how it's done. Here's how it's done, and here are the decisions that I am making as I am doing this task. And then, so that's I do. And then we do is we do it together. And that's really this guided practice. And so if you were showing them a skill on the computer, it might be that you're sitting side by side, or you're sitting via, in the same Zoom meeting and sharing screens. So this is the we do step, where you're really guiding them through and showing them how something is done. And then the final step is, so it's I do, we do, and you do. So now that's the employee. The employee is going to do the task themselves and independently, but you still, as a manager, are responsible for providing feedback. So what went well, what could have gone better. If it's a presentation, that would be after the presentation, you're able to give them feedback so that they are able to hone in and deliver the next presentation even better. So that's it. So I do, we do, and you do, I think is a really, really great model. We cannot simply just hand over a task to somebody without giving them a rich environment for learning how to do the task. So thanks. That's all.